Dermstore has collaborated again with the Skin Cancer Foundation to bring you the Dermstore and the Skin Cancer Foundation 2025 Sun Protection Kit. So this kit is $75 worth $155 worth of products. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Protecting yourself from the sun's harmful rays is the foundation of healthier, younger looking skin. Curated in partnership with the Skin Cancer Foundation, the Best of Dermstore, the Skin Cancer Foundation kit includes some of their best-selling sun care products and comes with the summer-ready canvas tote. It's valued at $155 and is available in limited quantities. The kit will include BeautyAmaB UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 full-size, lightweight, oil-free protection formulated for acne-prone and sensitive skin. Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm SPF 15 and Flirt full-size leaves lips supple, soft, and perfectly hydrated. Vacation Classic Lotion SPF 30 full-size, lightweight, reef safe, and water-resistant with an award-winning signature scent. Nude Sticks Nude Screen Blush Tint SPF 30 in Sunkissed, full-size, soft color for cheeks, lips, and eyes with 100% mineral protection. La Roche-Posay Athleos Ultra Light Fluid Face Sunscreen and Broad Spectrum SPF 60, 2 deluxe sizes, fast absorbing and white cast free with a matte finish. MD Solar Sciences Daily Perfecting Moisturizer SPF 30 deluxe size, an antioxidant, botanical and peptide boosted formula for healthier looking skin, as well as the 2025 Best of Dermstore and SCF Canvas Tote. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I think there's some pretty amazing sunscreens in there. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.